Dun, da, da, da. Guess what, guys? It's winter again. Yes. Look at it all. It came down last night. It started with some flurries, and I was like, okay, understandable. It's, March. We're probably going to get a bit more snow, but not a lot. And all of a sudden, it was like full-on freak snowstorm. Could barely see the road. I was in town. And like Brad was sending me pictures from Lucan. And it was like sunny here, and there was no snow, and there was like 2 inches there. It was craziness. Craziness. Anyways, I was hoping to go mudding today, but then it snowed. So, we had, Justin sent out a message to 519 Trucks there. We had a crazy amount of response. I wrote down a bunch of names who I will be kind of contacting throughout the next month here. Anyways, I contacted one of the guys. He was going to come out today. And then he got all loaded up, and it turns out his brakes went out of his trailer. So you kind of need trailer brakes, especially when you're driving like an hour. But he's got a little spot over by his place that he said I can come out and do some filming for the day. So I was like, you know what? I got no other plans today since that kind of fell through. So I might as well go out and do something because, look at this weather. I mean, there's snow, but it's sunny and not 75 out. It's about +1 right now, but there's still a ton of snow. Ready to go. I got flip-flops on, so I'm not really going out and just starting the video here. But, I'm excited. And then Justin works till 4, and it's nice that the days are getting longer now because we can film way more. Like, usually before, it would be dark at 4:30, and then it's like, what do you do in the evening? But now the days are getting longer. Justin's going to rip over after work, and we're going to film a few more videos. Go rip the sled around this POW. There's not a ton of powder, but there's, an inch or two. And it's nice packing snow, which is beautiful because you get that fluffy stuff and you kind of just drive through it. With this, with how mild it was and how thick the snow is, it's way better. So, anyways, I'm gonna load everything up. I'm gonna crush lunch real quick, and then I'm gonna head over to Mt Brydges and go jump in the truck, and we're gonna rip up some snow, maybe some mud. It's I think it's a big diesel F350. Not 100% certain, but. Well, you guys will know. It'll be in the title. All right, let's rip out and roll. All right, headed to Mt Brydges here. Figured I'd stop and look at this. The roads are pretty bad, so they're clear now, though. Field car now. Let's keep rolling. All right, the weapons. She's no diesel, she's a gasser, but she's gonna fight for it. Easy to rip. A bit of mud. A stack, nice. This is the old golf course that they've turned into a mud running area. What a great idea to turn a golf course into, eh? We got the big 5.4 here. Subaru. Should we take the Subaru? Thing is a weapon. She's stuck in 4 low right now, so we're still gonna rip it though. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been back here. They do a mud fest every year, so anyways, we'll rip it up and see what's going on. Here between the trees, the old goalposts. So there's pits and everything back here too.
This is parking back here.
Oh, okay. A little sloppy. Ford doesn't have any issues though. The weapon, she's stuck in 4 low, but she seems to go through pretty good. I don't know what he's gonna rip through here. Bit of everything. What do you guys think of the quality of the new iPhone 10? I love it. Plus it's got way better zoom. I can zoom in way further. That thing is a weapon. I would have no problem down at the track. Can you believe this was an old golf course? Pretty awesome, eh? That thing is sick. Apparently they got 200 trucks here in the summer. I wonder if we can convince them to go through here. Whew, windy too. There's no bottom to these. Whew. That's mud, that's for sure. Oh yeah, no problem. Hey? Easy peasy, kids. What a beauty day to be ripping it up out here. Whew. It is nice. I need a mud truck. Everyone needs a mud truck. Mud trucks for everyone. Hit her again. Oh yeah, simple as that. Look at this. She's thawing out quick. This is all the snow from last night we got. I feel like the ground's kind of half frozen underneath, half not frozen, so. He's gonna hit her this way, see if we can make it all the way through. Apparently that pit over there is a slake, 6 feet deep, so. We don't really want to get stuck today because we have no one to pull us out. No problem, guys. Fucking easy peasy first gear. Should I bring the old EcoBoost down here? Trade her in after? What else we got? Yeah, apparently they get a couple thousand people out here, a couple 200 trucks, concerts, there's sled skipping, there's a pond out back. What we got? What we got? Keep on ripping her up. Nothing like a first spring mud. Wonder if I can convince him to go through the big pit. I love the zoom on this thing, way better. How does that look? It looks crisp on my screen. So yeah, the big pit's right there. She doesn't look deep, but apparently she is deep. I should do a few slow motion shots since the lighting's pretty good today. Let's fire up a slow mo shot. Beauty day for sure. Whew. We almost went through that pit, but we decided to stay clear of it. We don't know how deep it is. Don't want to be getting stranded out here today. Yeah, that pond's not too deep. It is beautiful. Beautiful day out here. I wanted to just get outside and do stuff. I didn't want to stay inside any longer. I mean, I like doing office work, but I only like doing office work for so long. So I said, you know, let's get out here and do something. He was going to come to my place, but he had some trailer issues. So I said, I'll come out here. We'll rip it up. That is awesome. So much mud. Mud. Hit her again. Whew, it is getting breezy out. Straight through. Hit the pit over there, right? It's crazy how far this thing can zoom. I love it. Yeah, this pit's not too bad. A little slappy. Nothing the old Ford can't handle. Just out for a Sunday cruise. Through the water. That was awesome. Love the slow-mo shots. Whew! What do you guys think? I try not to think. It hurts too much. Ugh. Slop City. All right, let's see what else we can get into in the Ford here. It's crazy how far this thing can zoom. Way better than the old 6S, eh? I feel like I'm out of my time. That is awesome. Mud, mud, mud. All the muds. Should bring the sled out here and go skip the pond out back. I think I'll stick to the river though. It's a little more shallow if I do go. The pond's like 10, 15 feet deep. What's he doing back there? It is breezy today. Windy, windy, windy. We went through this pit, no problem. We thought it was a lot deeper than it was, but it's all good. No problems at all. Feel right through it. What a beautiful day out though. Beauty, beauty, beauty day. Whew. Nothing like getting some good footage on a day like this, that's for sure. You can see the clouds just peeling along there. Moving quick. Oh well, at least not freezing cold. I'm out here in a spring jacket. It's a little chilly, but you know, that's just because it's windy. I think it's -1 or 0, so not too bad. Pit looks good, truck looks good. Whew. Windy though. Back for another. Definitely gonna have to come here in the summer for the Mud Fest. I think they said June and August. If you want. Let's peel through her. Doing it backwards. Hilarious. Another day in the mud. Today, another pit. Oh yeah, that one was a little deeper. Uh-oh. Won't get her stuck now. Smoking. Smells like burning mud. Mud on mud on mud. We should do a mudding Monday video. Every Monday we go mudding. We got a little water pouring in. That's hilarious. He broke it open. Melbourne mudders. Those bullet holes in the back? Those bullet holes in your tailgate?
Yes, it is. 308.
Classic Ford.
That was a good hole there.
Yeah, that was a little deeper than I thought it was going to be, eh? You broke it open.
Yeah, I almost sunk my truck.
I didn't think you were coming out of that one.
I think it turned off for a minute.
Hesitated? Just ripped away. Oh, he's underneath is clean now. So this is where it is. Where are the dates again?
June 2nd, August 25th.
Perfect. So if you guys want to come out to Mudfest, Mt Brydges here, check her out. Is there a website?
Yeah, Melbourne Mud Madness on Facebook.
Perfect. I'll find her and I'll put her in the link below. And we are done. Truck's looking good. Let's get home. Do some more filming. Whew! Back at the house. She is windy here too, but it's a little more sheltered with those trees, which is nice. So, anyways, figured I'd wrap this up for the day. I think Justin's gonna come over. We're gonna film a little sled stuff. Are you guys in the shadow there? There you go. Yeah, I think other than that, I'm just gonna, get this video edited and then see what other shenanigans we can get up to. Heading to Jamaica for March breaks, so I'm trying to, get way ahead and a week ahead of videos so I don't have to do any filming while I'm in Jamaica. I'm gonna do a bit of filming, but I don't want to really vlog down there because we won't be doing much except sitting by the pool and drinking some margaritas. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to do lots more mudding videos to come. We got a good lineup of people that want to help us do some mudding videos, so I'm excited for that, and I'm excited for summer. I'm excited for things to dry up and get things going here. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications bell there. Check out the links below, lots of discounts if you guys like any of those things down there. So thank you guys again, and we'll see you later.